The Gator inline pool skimmer will keep the surface of your pool perfectly clear of debris and contaminants. This video will assist you to assemble and install your Gator to achieve its maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Your result? A crystal clear and hygienic pool. Before installing your Gator, you must ensure your pump is switched off. Empty your weir leaf basket, empty your pump leaf basket, and backwash your filter as you normally would. Before installing your Gator, it is vital to confirm that your pool pump and filter are in good working order. To measure this, first replace your weir regulator valve with the supplied connector, then attach a section of your hose. Next, insert the other side of the hose into the Gator gauge. Ensure that the Gator gauge is below the water surface. Switch on your pool pump. Wait 30 seconds and observe the reading. A D reading shows an inadequate flow of water and therefore a poorly functioning pump and filter system that needs to be attended to before you can install your Gator. An A or B reading is great. Your pump and filter are working well and you are nearly ready to insert your Gator into the hose. If you scored a C reading, remove the spacer first. It will give you a bit more lift in the pool. Be careful not to over tighten the thumb nuts. We now need to familiarize ourselves with the tension plate. The factory sets the tension plate to medium. Most of the time, you will leave it at medium. However, if you wish to experiment, you will discover that the higher setting will increase the speed of your pool cleaner, but will decrease the volume of water going into the Gator. This means less surface suction and more bottom of the pool suction, which may be a good thing if there's a load of leaves on the bottom of the pool and very little on the surface. The lowest setting obviously gives the opposite result. You are now ready to install. Separate your hose 2 sections from your pool cleaner, 3 if your pool is very deep. Take your Gator and insert the end with the flow direction arrow facing towards the weir. This is really important, otherwise the debris is not going to go where it needs to go. Tilt the Gator to allow water to enter and allow it to float level. Now attach the other hose to the opposite side. You are now ready to go. Turn on your pump and watch the magic happen.